The constant rule. If f of x is equals to c, where c is a constant, then f of prime x is equals to 0. The derivative of constants is equals to 0. For example, f of x is equals to 5. Since 5 is a constant, our derivative is f of x is equals to 0. Rule number 2, power rule. If f of x is equals to x raised to n, then f of prime x is equals to nx raised to n minus 1. For example, 2. The power rule. If f of x is equals to x raised to n, then our f of x is equals to nx raised to n minus 1. For example, x raised to 4. We need to move the 4 in front of the x, and it just look like this, 4x. And we need to minus 1 our exponent to make our answer like this. 4x 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So our final answer is this, 3. If f of x is equals to k times hx, where k is a constant, then f of prime x is equal to k times h prime x. This is just like applying rule number 1 and rule number 2. For example, f of x is equals to 4x raised to 3/4. We need to do is separate the 4 times, copy the fraction, 3/4 times 3/4. And we need to do is minus 1, applying the rule number 2. We need to do is 4 times 3/4, it is equals to 3x. Since 3/4 times 1 is equals to negative 1/4. If we want to remove the negative 1/4, we need to do is we're gonna put 3 as a numerator and copy 4x and then 1/4. This is our final answer. Number 4. Derivative of sum difference. If f of x is equal to j of x plus minus h of x, then f prime x is equals to j prime x plus minus h prime x. For example, f of x is equals to 2x cubed minus 6x. This is our h of x, and this is our j of x. All we need to do is copy 2x cubed as our g of x, and we need to do is 2 times 3 is equals to 6x. Now let's move on to our h of x. Our h of x is negative 6 since 2x times 3 is equals to 6x. And let's move on to our h of x. Negative 6s has an invisible 1, so negative 6x times 1 is equals to negative 6x. So our answer is 6x is 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So 6x minus 2 minus 6x. This is our final answer. Since negative 6x has an invisible 1, 6x times 1 is equals to 6. And that's our answer. So we need to do is copy 2x, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2x cubed plus 6. Po natin ay kopyahin po natin ang given, which is 2x fourth minus 3 At kukunin po natin ang ating nakuha which is 2x. Sunod po, maglalagay po tayo ng plus. And then kukunin po natin ang ating isang given which is x squared plus 1. And kunin po natin ito. Ang atin pong gagawin is pagtatimesin po natin sila upang makuha po ang susunod na sagot. 2 times 2x 4 times 2x is equals to 4x fifth. 2x 4, mali. 3 times 2 po, ang makukuha po natin is negative 6x. Plus x squared times 8x cubed is equals to 8x cubed. 1 times 8, ang sagot po natin is plus 8x cubed. Ngayon naman po, i-combine like terms po natin sila. So 4x fifth plus 8x fifth plus 8x cubed minus 6x. Ang gagawin na po natin ay papaiksihin po natin ito. So 4 plus 8 is equals to 12x fifth plus 8x fifth times 8x cubed is equals to 8x cubed minus 6x. Ito na po ang ating sagot. Do is 2 times 4 is equals to 8x. 4 minus 1 is equals to 8x cubed. This is our g of x. Let's move on to our h of x. X squared plus 1 is equals to 2x squared minus 1 is equals to 2x. This is our answer.